It's Wednesday and we are in a small little town on our way to Wanaka today and then in Otago. But stopping for some breakfast. I've ordered bacon and eggs and a coffee, a big coffee. So let me show you this gorgeous cafe. This is called the Wrinkly Ram. Here's this place. There's Jono. Yeah, the Wrinkly Ram. Welcome to the Lindis Pass Summit. Look how amazing this is. I'll turn it around so you can see the view. How incredible is this? Absolutely stunning. It's -1 at the moment. It's cold. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Welcome to the gorgeous Wanaka in the South Island. Isn't this stunning? Absolutely stunning. And here, yeah, township. Gorgeous. We are in Cromwell in Central Otago. Massive fruit.
You're talking about me?
Oh, fruit.
Massive fruit.
There's a massive fruit there if I saw one. But this is Cromwell. We're just driving through it on our way to Alexandra. This is Cromwell. Blink and you miss it.
Hi, well here we are, the Clyde Dam. Now back in the 80s when we had Robert Muldoon as Prime Minister, he was all about think big projects, and what was a little creek over there that sort of came through here from Cromwell through into Clyde, he decided to build a bloody big dam here, which is known as the Clyde Dam. Was built over many years. Behind it has become Lake Dunstan. The water comes down through these turbines here, generates power, and then flows out here on the river through to Alexandra. So this is the Clyde Dam, one of New Zealand's big infrastructure projects from back in the 80s, and now has beautiful Lake Dunstan behind it and the lovely township of Clyde in front of it, which we're going to go down and have a look at shortly.
Clyde Dam. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. See the dam there? Oh. And around us we've got like these beautiful mountains. That's someone's camper van. But yeah, look at this, it's just stunning. The beautiful South Island. Absolutely gorgeous. Welcome to Alexandra. We are making our way down towards Otago, but we are stopped for a break at Alexandra. This is the main drag, the main street. I'm just having a look around while my friend Jono sees some clients in this area. So this is Alexandra. The caravan, little main drag, nothing really much along here, but we'll just have a little browse in Alexandra. So it's quite a nice little town in the South Island in Central Otago. I'm on the road again. I'm just walking in Alexandra main street, just having a bit of a look around. There's not really much here, but just killing some time while my friend Jono sees some clients in this area. So yeah, it's a nice little town and not much happening, to be really honest, but just having a bit of a walk. There's nothing down here, so I'm not sure why I am just might need to cross the road actually, because there's not much here. Ooh. Someone's in a hurry. Anyway, it's Wednesday. Not that that really matters when watching this on YouTube, but it's about halfway through my trip actually. I'm in New Zealand until Saturday, so halfway through, and I am loving my time in the gorgeous South Island of New Zealand. Never been here before, which is quite criminal because I grew up in Auckland and I've never been to South Island, which is not good, but I've finally made it. So yeah, looking forward to just seeing what's down here. There's actually a little clothing shop down here. Oh, there's a warehouse. I might go into the warehouse and have a look because it's been quite a few years since I haven't been to a warehouse, which is just across the road. So thank you some honey. This little place here is on the side of the road, and you go in and there's all this beautiful honey here, and you just buy what you want. Amazing honey everywhere. There's no one here. It's an honesty system, and you just pay on EFTPOS. There you go. That's New Zealand for you. And there's a place here that has like little posies and flowers and stuff. Look at this. There you go. Honesty is the best policy. Welcome to Gore. Home with the big trout in Gore. This is the start of the town. Look, we're in Gore. The big trout. Alright, so Gore is a bit of a bore. There's not much here, to be honest. I did buy a few things from the 123 shop, but not really much here at Gore. There's a little sheep up here. See that? I'll try and zoom in. You can see a little sheep there. There we go. But yeah, apart from that little sheep, there's not really much here. But yeah, I've been up there, all the way down here, and down there. Yeah, so Gore, thank you for having us, but not much happening.